Good morning, folks. About 8 to 9 in the morning, January 7th, 2012. Last night, I somehow searching YouTube or whatever, I came across this uh, UFO, Nazi UFO link, something. And it seemed interesting, so I watched it. Oh, you know what it was? It was a coast to coast uh, session. It wasn't Art Bell, it wasn't Greg Norrie, it wasn't that other guy, it was another guy. So he mentioned some things, and I looked them up, right? Google search. So then I come across this video from UFO something, I don't know. But and then I did some more search, more search. Now look at this photograph, folks. Look at this photograph. Look at this. This is 1930s or because this thing is so big, this might be uh, and definitely it's got to be before 45. Now, this is not the original prototype, but look at this, folks. 1930, or let's say 1940. So what do we have here? Uh, 60 years to the new year, millennia, and it's 2012. So it's 72 years later, folks. What have United States, Russia done with 72 years beyond this technology? That's what this is about. 72 years, folks, after this. And the United States denies UFOs exist. Some of these things, well, I'll show you later, travel at 5,000 miles an hour and can stay in the sky for 3 or 4 weeks at a time. And I guess this maybe this is the one that takes 32 people to operate. Folks, this is 70 years, 72 years ago. Yep. Yeah, there's no doubt there's a secret organization here. And, I'll provide links. But at the end of the war, they had a fleet of these things shooting down bombers. They mounted different sized guns on them. And then one technique was they had like a little flamethrower. They'd shoot a little fireball in front of the plane and let the plane, while the fireball is burning, the plane drives right into it and it burns out the motors or something like that. I don't know. I'll provide links. You look at it. So anyway, folks, let me. I don't want to get into any copyright problems. So what do I? What's legal to show and what's not? I just don't know exactly how it works. Is there good faith? I don't. I'm not claiming their knowledge or. I mean, taking their knowledge or misusing it or. I don't know. I just want to I want to show you guys. Wake the frig up. Alright, let me minimize this. Here's the end of, you see that, folks? Right, you see right over there? UFO TV. This is their video. So I don't want to click it or anything, which may get me in trouble. They do have a copyright notice right in the front. I don't know if this is against the law right here, just showing this thing. So anyway, look this up, folks. I'll provide this link. I learned how to do that. Alright, here I'm just going to go through, I got a bunch of tabs up here. See this, folks? Well, maybe you can't. 1935. They started this thing. And here, folks, the machine could reach 17,000 kilometers per hour. Endurance flight. Well, here, the incredible initial velocity was 4,800 kilometers per hour, but at low altitudes. Further enhancements enabled the machine to reach 17,000 kilometers per hour. Endurance was 18 hours. Now, the Russians shot one of these things down in 1945. See, that was 1935. In 1945, the Russians shot one down. 42, this Hanabu, or 2, 26 meters diameter. Crew of 9 people. Endurance of 55 hours. 1944, 21,000 kilometers per hour. Crew of 32. The craft made 19 test flights. I'll provide this link, folks. This is amazing. See, here's one of the guns. And they had to change different guns because some of the guns were heavy, throwing off the center of gravity. Yeah, look at that, folks. Jeez. Look at that, folks. People standing on it. Take it or not. You believe it or you don't. There's that one photograph I was showing you. Amazing. Alright, let me just move right along. We're in the 9 minutes already? Holy shoot. Alright, ultimately, folks, this comes to this Astra TR-3B. Top secret Area 51, 52, 53, 54 technology. And here, I got 406,000 results in 0.25 seconds. So, folks, go to these things. These things exist. I mean, these things were flying around in 1930s, mid-30s. Click videos. And here, I have 3,410 videos in 0.08 of a second. Folks, wake up. Jeez, amazing. Here's another thing. Uh, a dra, a drama media, media. I don't know. So this was one of the videos. They mentioned this name, so I checked it out. Oh, look at that! 62,000 videos in 0.34 seconds. All right, a lot of the stuff was done in the Nazi Germany. Started this stuff, or that's the direction I'm coming from. Investigation. So look it up, folks. And what's this one? Oh, Pleiades. Well, supposedly, I want to find out what this is all about. This is a star group, and aliens are supposed to be involved here. Here's a star group. Aliens are supposed to. This is where. Uh, so, as far as what I was reading, some of this technology came from channeling, a mystic channeling to these people in this star system. Yes, UFOs, secret videos of the Third Reich. Folks, check it out. All right, here's one. This guy here is one of the initial inventors who worked on it. And you know what? These Nazi war criminals did not go to Nuremberg, were not hung, and were not executed. These are the ones that America wanted. So the ones that hung and died and went to trial were on the short end of the stick. Unified field theory. And then I can't pronounce this right here. Oh, hey, Gravy. I got a little cat came up here to visit me. Okay. So maybe just go there. Oh, kitty, how you doing, kitty? Okay. Sorry, folks. I'm stuck here. Here's another one. Viral. This was the. I think this was the also name of that. See that society of those channelers who got this information. Here's another thing. Russia, Area 51. Russia has a bunch of Area 51s. Folks, this nothing new here. There's one of the Area 51s in Russia. And here's an interesting thing. But folks, here, let me hit search. This is not a Google, so I don't have any idea how many hits I just had. But Russians are reportedly working on alien viruses as biological warfare. Well, look at all the stuff that's publicized and not publicized that our government is doing. And you know what? All those birds dropping out of the sky, all those fish popping up dead. I don't think that's a natural act of God. I don't, not for 1 second. You know, these birds flying from the sky, maybe the government is spraying some biological weapon to destroy, thin out the population, and test it on the birds. They all say they got to not reduce this population, mass murder, this population. Everybody knows it. They're talking about it for a long time. This is the new world order. And you know what? Kennedy did say there's a secret society that are in control and do anything. And this is all this stuff is part of it. Why does it have to be secret? For peace and the that channeling, they allowed that channeling to happen because they thought it would improve this country. We could live in peace and harmony, prosperity, and happiness. He did not do this so Germany could conquer the world, or Russia could conquer who they're going to conquer, and the United States screw everybody else. They didn't do it for this. This was not a part of the program. So, folks, just check this stuff out. It's great. It's incredible. So, anyway, yeah, China's got this stuff. England's involved. There's other countries. India is involved. There's a lot of stuff out here, folks. So you want to think that that Strait of Hormuz thing and nuclear bombs are gonna go flying? I if somebody's gonna piss off somebody, there's more than nuclear bombs are gonna be going. I'll tell you that. It doesn't have to be this way. We don't have to have wars. We could all go. We don't need oil. It's as big as bullshit. Um. So anyway, I'm just unemployed plumber. That's all, folks. Be kind. Be considerate. Help your neighbor. Compassion, tolerance. Be a good person. Let me find the off. Oh, 17 minutes. All right, later, folks.